Whoa!
Wow.
Oh my goodness! Look at that.
That is impressive.
Wow! Right on. That is legit. What's that Negan saying? Hot diggity dog! That's cool. Wow. Okay. That's worth the drive. What's up here? No drones. Dang it. Is that what it says? Yeah.
Why are they against drones? What's a drone gonna do?
I don't know. Yeah, I see no drone. That's it. There's a gate even going in the dam. See that? Damn gate. There's a damn gate right there. And
Was there I was gonna say, was there a damn hole in that?
yeah, there was a damn hole. There's a damn hole. All right, where's this outhouse? I just need to go.
Well, there's a big pull out right there.
I don't even know where we're going.
Looks like there's a...
Is that a damn bathroom? It might be. I don't think it is, but...
No, I think it is. It's got a little vent on the top.
Huh. Pretty cool.
All right, well, our Fat Man camping trip got a little washed out with the rain showers in the area, so we decided to do a road trip and do some fishing and check out some sites we haven't seen before. And we came across this Stillwater Dam, which is, I must say, it's pretty impressive. And I guess it doesn't flow like this very often, but being a high water year this year, it looks like it's flowing pretty good. And it's pretty impressive. Holy cow. Didn't expect this at all, so pretty neat. Upper Stillwater Dam and Spillway. That is really cool. I'm going to walk up here and take a look at the reservoir. All right, well, there's the Stillwater Reservoir. Wow, look at those reflections. Holy cow. That is like glass. Impressive. Still quite a bit of snow up on those Uintas hanging on up there. I was noticing all the burnt logs and debris here at the dam on Stillwater. That's all from that Uinta forest fire they had up canyon there. All the debris flew down Rock Creek and down into the reservoir here and collected here, some of it. Pretty neat. Yeah, there's a informational board about the Stillway Dam and stuff. It's pretty cool. I must say that's damn impressive. Hear the roar of the water. Woo! Look at that. Don't let it break now. Alright, decided to try some fishing down under the bridge here, coming out of Stillwater, and looks like I landed one. A little bugger. Oh, he got himself under the trees over there. I gotta go get him unsnagged. Alright, I got him unsnagged. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, looks like a nice little brookie. Little baby brook. Not a bad little fish. Get you back in the water. Alright, fish on. Let's see what we got. This one feels a little bigger than the last one. From the Papa. Not a little bad little brown there. Pretty nice. Got a nice brook on the first one. Got a brown on this one. Awesome. All right, we made it to the Stillwater trailhead. We're gonna go see if we can't find some still water to go sink a fishing line in. Maybe catch some fish too. Wouldn't you know, the second we get on trail, clouds decide to do a little pitter-patter on us, so hopefully we're not going to get in a deluge. Alright, there's another view of the trail and the Stillwater Dam. We got just a little bit of a hike over to the dam to where we can get to an area to fish. Looks like we got some dam leakage right there.
Put your finger in the dike.
Yeah, no kidding. Well, I think this is a pretty damn cool trail. Pretty cool dam too. Pretty crazy trail when they got soil nails holding the cliff together up there. Doesn't make me feel good because it's above our head. Well, alright, we made it to the trail side of the Stillwater Reservoir. We just saw our first fish surface right here in the water. Hopefully our luck is about to pay off. Woohoo! Trying to find a safe place to fish this thing, but that's a straight off embankment into a deep water. I don't know, we'll go up a little bit further and see what we see. Alright, we're going to turn around and fish that one good spot by the dam that we could see, because we're not going to risk our lives or endangerment to fish down here where it's pretty treacherous down all along this whole way. It's just straight down into the water. No good way to fish it. That's probably why people aren't fishing it. Anyway, we'll see what we can do up here where it's safer. Oh boy, clouds are talking to us. It's starting to get wet out there, but nothing but one bite and a fish jump had a fly on the water in front of me. No fish caught at Stillwater, but there are fish in there. But we need to get down the trail and get back closer to the truck, because I think the clouds are gonna open up with their 90% chance of rain. Yeah, that wasn't looking as ominous a little bit ago. 20 minutes ago. Now it's looking like you're going to get wet if you don't get back to the truck. Yeah, well, look at all those soil nails, how they pinned that rock face back into the mountain to hold it together. It's pretty scary to be walking under it. Well, looks like the rain found us. Down in that valley there, that little bit of clear sky that was out there it's gone. It's gonzo. And we got rainzo hitting us right now. So we're almost back to the truck. But I don't know if we want to fish in the rain or what we want to do at this point. It's only lunchtime, so we still got the whole day ahead of us. I just don't know what the weather's going to do to us. The weatherman said 90% everywhere, so that sounds pretty wet to me. I think that little bit of dry we had, that was 10%. So I think we're in for a wet rest of the day. It's time for lunch though, so we're going to do that and then punt and see what we're going to do next. Hey, it's got us a couple of deer right there. Aww. Yeah, a little buck in the velvet. Yep. Cute. We found Bambi and his family. Just wandering around. All right, going on here at Current Creek Reservoir. Decided to stop off here after the rain had stopped, and looks like it's finally showing me some love here. Let's see what we got. Feels pretty decent. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Look at the size of that one. See that? Heck yeah. Woo-wee. Nice cutthroat. Alright. Looks like Current Creek is paying off. Got another one hooked up here. See what we got. Feels a little smaller than the first one. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Gun to pop. Oh, he just got off. Alright, so be it. Oh boy, the spell has been broken. He caught one. Holy cow, he caught a shark. It's all of 9 inches. Alright, looks like I got another one on here. Let's see what we got. Oh, little guy. Alright, little dinky little fart right there. Little dinky little bow, it looks like, yeah. Alright, we'll let him go. Wahoo! Got another tugger. See what we got. This one's probably a little bigger than the last one. The last one's a baby from the nursery. See this one here. What we got here? Oh, he's a tugger. Nice. Oh yeah. That's a better fish. Huh. Wow. That's a dandy. That's a nice bow right there. Look at that. Got him on the jake. Alright, looks like I got another one on here. He feels like a little guy. Let's see what we got. Had some action on the other pole too, but the action caused it to get snagged, so if he's still on, I'm hoping he'll unsnag it for me. Another little bow. Little fighter. Got this one on the black jake this time. fish. All right, well, this is my first time to Current Creek. Glad I finally saw it. It's pretty nice little reservoir. We fished here for a couple hours, caught several fish between all of us. I guess all of us caught several fish each, but anyway, pretty good to us. We're getting ready to head out and head to some more destinations, some more fishing. It's Current Creek Reservoir.
Whoa, look at that.
It's a big golden eagle.
All right, there's a golden eagle on that roadkill. Oh, dang.
There's another one.
Oh, there's another one. Sweet. Well, those big old pelicans coming in. Oh boy, we're at Fish Lake again. Looks like I finally landed a decent fish here. It's a fighter. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. That's a good sized fish. Whoa, what the heck kind of fish is that? What is that thing? I've never seen a fish like that before. Some kind of a sucker fish. Check it out.